Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to display your PSN status on Discord. Let's get started. First, open the Discord application on your PC. In the lower left corner, click on your user settings icon. You will now see all of your user settings. Scroll down until you find the Activity Settings section. From there, select Activity Privacy. Turn on the setting that says Share your detected activities with others. This will allow your game activity to be shown as your Discord status. Next, scroll back up until you see the Connections tab. Here, you will find all the accounts you can link to your Discord account. Click on PlayStation Network and connect your PlayStation account to Discord. Once the accounts are connected, any game you play on your PlayStation will automatically appear as your status on Discord. That is all you need to do. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides.